Slim Metrix is marketed as a weight loss supplement that supposedly boosts metabolism and helps users lose weight faster without making major lifestyle changes. But the real question is, does it actually help you lose weight, or is it another diet product with unrealistic promises? Now, to be fair, some weight loss supplements contain ingredients that may have modest effects on appetite, energy levels, or calorie expenditure. However, these effects are usually much smaller than the marketing suggests. What it does well may help reduce appetite slightly. Some ingredients commonly found in weight loss supplements may help certain users feel less hungry, could provide a temporary energy boost. Stimulants such as caffeine can increase alertness and make workouts feel easier. Where the hype falls apart, it is unlikely to cause major weight loss on its own. This is the biggest issue. Most supplements produce modest effects at best without changes to diet and activity levels. The marketing often exaggerates fat-burning claims. Promises of rapid or effortless weight loss should always be viewed with skepticism. Results vary significantly between individuals. Some users notice small changes, while others see little or no difference. So, does Slim Metrix actually help you lose weight? Short answer: it may provide modest support for some users, but it is unlikely to produce the dramatic weight loss results often featured in marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.